Hello friends, my name is Soham. Now we will see class ninth science MCQs. Structure of atom. Hello friends, my name is Soham. Now we will see MCQs from structure of atom, class ninth science. So question number 1 is which of the following correctly. Hello friends, my name is Soham. Now we will see workforce and energy MCQs, important question, class 9 science. So question number 1 is in the case of negative work, the angle between the force and displacement is. Answer is 180 degree. Explanation: in case of negative work, the angle between the force and displacement is 180. A girl is carrying a school bag of 3 kg mass and her bag on her back and move 200 meter on leveled road. On leveled road, the work done against the gravitation force will be G equals to 10 ms negative power raised to negative 2. So answer is option D. Option D 0. Question number 3, the work done on an object does not depend upon the. Answer is Initial velocity of the object. When a body falls freely towards the earth, then its total energy, answer is C, remain constant. On a car is accelerated on leveled road and attains a velocity 4 times of its initial velocity. In the process, the potential energy of the car, answer is A, does not change. Question number 6. An iron, an iron sphere of a mass 10 kg and the same diameter of an aluminium sphere of mass 3.5 kg. Both spheres are dropped simultaneously from the tower. They are 10 meter above the ground. They have the same, answer is acceleration. Question. What water stored in dam possess, means water which is stored in dam possess which energy? It possess potential energy. A body is falling from a height of 5 h. After it has fallen a height equals to h upon 2, it will possess half potential and half kinetic energy. Explanation is, as we know that when a body is at height h, it has total energy equals to ke plus, means kinetic energy plus potential energy at height h. Velocity of body is 0, so kinetic energy equals to 0 and potential energy mgh. So total energy equals to mgh plus 0 equals to mgh. Now at height equals to h upon 2, its potential energy equals to mg h upon 2 equals to mgh upon 2 first, and kinetic energy equals to 1 upon 2 mv square, where velocity can be determined by equation of motion v square equals to u square plus 2gh. Therefore all vgh are in same direction as u equals to 0 at highest point. So v square, equals to 2hg upon 2 equals to v upon under root gh. So k equals to 1 upon 2 m into in bracket under root 2 gh square equals to mgh upon 2 third. So equations 1 and 2, body at h upon 2 possess half potential energy and half 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 potential energy and half kinetic energy. Now question number 9, the unit, which one of the following is not unit of energy? So answer is C, kilowatt. The unit of work is joule. The other physical quantity that has same unit is energy. The commercial unit of energy consumption in household industries are commercial establishment is, answer is D, kilowatt hours. Expression of power of an object is equals to, answer is C, power equals to work done upon time. Assertion and reason. Explanation: power is rate of work at which work is done. Assertion: reason based MCQs. So first is first assertion: a 40 kg girl is running along a circular path of radius 1 meter with a uniform speed. The work done by the girl is zero. Reason: in her case displacement is zero after one complete rotation. Answer is A. Since displacement is zero after one complete rotation, so work done by girl is zero. Question number 2. Work done by the force can be positive or negative. Reason: force is taken as positive when it acts opposite to the direction of displacement. Option is C is correct. Explanation: when force acts opposite to the direction of displacement, the angle between force and displacement is 180 degree in each case. Force is taken as negative and work done by the force is given by in bracket minus F into S. When force is in the direction of displacement, work done by the force is positive. Question number 3. Work done is different while climbing a or using lift. Work done depends only on the initial and final position of an object. Answer D is correct. Work done is a state function. On its displacement on the initial and final position of the object and not on path followed. In the above example, initial and final velocity is same, therefore work done is same in both cases. Question number 4. Energy possessed by a rolling stone is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy possessed by an object is due to its motion. A is correct. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion. Moving object possess kinetic energy. For example, energy possessed by a rolling stone is kinetic energy. Question number 5. Question number 5. Unit of energy is same as that of force. Reason: the commercial unit of energy is joule. Option C is correct. Explanation: the unit of force is same as the work done, that is joule. Joule is the SI unit of energy, but it is similar unit for commercial purpose. We use kilowatt hours as the unit of energy. 1 kilowatt equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Question number 6. Assertion: the potential energy of a free falling object decreases possessively. Reason: violates the law of conservation of energy. Answer is option C. Explanation: no, it does not violate the law of conservation of energy. Potential energy is converted into total mechanical energy and hence it remains conserved. Question number 7. Lamp consumes 1000 joule of electricity in the 10 seconds. Its power is 100 watt. Power is obtained by dividing the energy consumption by the time taken. Answer A. Explanation: power of lamp equals to energy upon time. P equals to 1000 upon 10. equals to 100 watt. Assertion: a unit of power is joule. Reason: 1 kilowatt is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Option D is correct. SI unit of power is what? 1 kilowatt is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Assertion: the physical quantity defined by rate is done work is energy. Reason: it SI unit is J upon 6. Option D is correct. The physical quantity defined the rate of doing work is power. Its SI unit is J upon joule upon seconds or watts. Now we will move to our next question. Two objects of different mass falling freely near the surface of the moon would answer have same velocity at any instant. Explanation: object of different masses falling freely near the surface of the moon would have the same velocities at any instant because they will have same acceleration due to gravity. Question 2. The value of acceleration due to gravity. Answer: it is least on equator. Due to the structure of Earth, as on the equator, Earth is buckling on out at and at pole it is a bit flattened. So the acceleration due to the gravitation experience at the poles is slightly higher than that at the equator. Question number third. The gravitation force between two objects is F if mass of both objects are half without changing distance between them, then the gravitation force would be. Answer is F upon 4. Explanation: we know that according to the force of gravitation, F equals to G1 Gm1 Gm2 upon R square, in bracket G equals to gravitational constant, where m1 and m2 and m1 and m2 are the mass of two objects respectively, and r is the distance between the two masses. Now according to the question, if mass of object are half it, that is m1 equals to m1 upon 2 and m2 equals to m2 upon 2. New force F equals to Gm upon R square m2 equals to G in bracket m upon 2 in bracket m2 upon 1 upon 2 upon R square equals to 1 upon 4 Gm1 Gm2 upon 2 equals to F upon 4, where Gm1 Gm2 upon R square equals to F. So new force equals to F equals to 4 F upon 4. Thus, the new gravitational force will become 1 upon 4 times of its original gravitational force. Question number 4. A boy is wriggling a stone tied with a string in a horizontal circular path. If the string breaks, the stone. Answer is Answer is C. Will move along a straight line. Will move along a straight line tangential to the circular path. Next question, question number 5. The relation F equals to gm m upon d square equals the equal gravitation G. Answer is universal constant of nature. Explanation: the quantity G is a universal constant of nature. It is applied to all the bodies present in the universe. Law of gravitation gives the gravitational force between. Answer is C. Any two bodies have some mass. Answer: law of gravitation gives the gravitational force between any two bodies having same mass. Question number 7. Value of quantity G in the law of gravitation. Answer is independent of mass and the radius of the earth. Question number 8. The particles are placed at some distance if the mass of each of the two particles is doubled, keeping the distance between them unchanged. The value of gravitational force between them will be. Answer is 4 times. Explanation is: we know that according to gravitational force, F equals to G mm upon r square, where F equals to force between two masses, m equals to first force, capital M is equals to first force, second M equals to second mass, G equals to gravitational constant, r equals to distance between two masses. According to the question, F a new force when mass is doubled. If mass of each particle is doubled, that is m equals to 2m and 2 equals to 2m. On putting these values, equation 1, we get F equals to G in bracket 2m upon 2m upon r square, because F equals to gm upon r square, F equals to 4f. So the atmosphere is held to the earth by. Answer is A. Gravity. Explanation: the atmosphere is held to the gravity by in earth by gravity. The force of the force of attraction between two unit point masses separated by a unit distance is called. Answer is D. Universal constant. Explanation: the force of attraction between two unit point masses separated by a unit distance is called universal gravitational constant. Question number 11. The weight of the weight of an object at the center of the earth of radius r is? Answer is A 0. Explanation is the weight of an object at the center of the earth of radius r is 0. An apple falls from a tree because of gravitational attraction between the earth and apple. If F1 is the magnitude of force extended by the earth on the apple and F2 is the magnitude of force extended by apple on the earth, then answer D F1 and F2 are equal. Explanation: according to the Newton's universal law of gravitation, force extended by the one body to other body is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Assertion and reason based MCQ question. Question 1 assertion mass of an object is always 0. Reason: mass of an object is the measure of is in its inertia and the substance contained by the body. Option D is correct. Explanation: mass of an object can never be 0 because mass of an object is the is measure of its inertia and the substance contained by the body. Assertion: on moon, man feels lighter than the earth. Reason: due to the more gravitation force exerted by the moon on man. Answer: option C is correct. On moon, man feels lighter than earth. It is due to less gravitation force exerted by moon on man. Question 3 assertion: if the displace if the distance between two bodies of mass m1 and m2 is increased by a factor of 5, the gravitational force is replied by 1 upon 25. Reason: the gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Answer is between two bodies. Option A is correct. Explanation: gravitational force is given by the formula F equals to G capital M small m upon R square. Gravitation force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between two bodies. Question number 4 assertion of an object thrown vertically upward with certain velocity v reach maximum height and fall back with same velocity. Reason: wherever an object fall towards the earth, gravitation force of the earth cause acceleration. Option D is correct. When an object is thrown vertically upward with certain velocity, it will fall back freely. There will be a change in the magnitude of velocity due to gravitational force of the earth. Answer is C. Nucleus in the atom. The number of electrons in the element X is 5 and the number of neutrons is 16. Which of the following is the correct representation of the element? Answer is A. 13 15 X. X 13 15. Explanation: given that nuclear the given that number of given that number of electrons in the element X equals to 13 and number of neutrons is 16, atomic number equals to number of protons, number of electrons in neutral atom equals to 15, mass number equals to number of proton plus number of neutrons equals to 15 plus 16 equals to 31. So correct representation of element is 31x15. Which, which of the following statement Rutherford's model of atom are correct? Rutherford's model of atom are correct. Answer is option A, first and third, which is considered the nucleus as positive charge, and third one is can be compared to solar system. Question 5th, Which of the following are true for an element? Answer is D, second and fourth, which is mass number equals to number of protons plus neutron of number of neutrons. And fourth is atomic number equals to number of proton, number of electrons. Now, now we will move to our question number 6. In the Thomas model of atom, which of the following statements are correct? Answer is the mass of the atom is assumed to be uniformly distributed over the atom. The positive charge is assumed to be uniformly distributed over the atom. The electrons are uniformly distributed in the positively charged sphere. Explanation is point first, second, and third are correct according to Thomas model of the atom. An atom consists of a sphere of positively charged with negative charged electrons embedded in it. These negative and positive charges in an atom are equal in magnitude, due to which an atom is electrically neutral. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment shows that answer is option B, second and fourth. Second and fourth is the mass of positive charge of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus, and fourth is most of the space in atom is empty. The ion of an element has three positive charges. Mass number of the atom has 27 and the number of neutrons is 14. What is the number of electrons in ion? Answer is B, 10. Explanation given: charge equals to plus 3, mass number equals to 27, and the number of neutrons equals to 14, number of protons equals to atomic number equals to mass number minus number of neutrons equals to 27 minus 14 equals to 13. This is the atomic number of the aluminium. Therefore the element is aluminium. Number of electrons in the atom in AI atom equals to 13. Now we will move to our next question. Identify the Mg2 ion for the figure where N and P represents the number of neutrons and protons respectively. Option D is correct. Explanation: electronic configuration of Mg atom equals to 282 and that of Mg2 plus ions equals to 28. Number of protons in Mg atoms equals to 2 plus 8 plus 2 equals to 12. number of neutrons in mg atom equals to 24, minus 12 equals to 12, as mass number of mg atom equals to 24, and the number of the neutron equals to mass number mass of proportion protons. In the sample of ethyl ethanoid CH3COOCOH5, the two oxygen atoms have the same number of electrons but different number of neutrons. Which of the following is the correct reason for it? Answer is C. The two oxygen atoms are isotope. Explanation: the two oxygen atoms in CH3OOC square H5 can have different number of neutrons only if the two O atoms are isotope. It is because isotopes of an element has the same number of protons in bracket and neutrons but different number of neutrons. Element with valency 1 are either metal or non-metals. Explanation: metals and non-metals both can have valency 1. Metal which have 1 have 7 valence electrons have valency 1. It is because metals lose their 1 E minus and non-metals gain 1 E minus. To complete their to complete their octet, the first model of an atom was given by. Answer is J.J. Thomson. Explanation: the first model of an atom was given by J.J. Thomson. According to him, an atom consists of a sphere of positively charged with negative charge electrons embedded in it. An atom with 3 protons and 4 neutrons will have a valency of C1. Explanation: given that number of protons in an given that number of protons in an atom equals to 3 and number of neutrons equals to 4, KL electronic configuration of Li3 equals to 2 1, as it have one at is it has one one valence electrons, therefore its valency is also 1. The electronic distribution of an aluminium atom is. Answer A 283. Explanation: aluminium atom has 13 protons and 13 electrons. Therefore, electronic configuration of Al13 equals to 383. 283. Which which of the following is in figure does not represent Bohr's model of an atom correctly? So answer is C, second and fourth. In second, there are in the insider there are 4 electrons, and in fourth there are instead of 8 there are 9 electrons. So answer is Figure second and fourth do not correctly represent the Bohr's model of atom electrons. In K1K, first shell is 2, not 4. So second is wrong and maximum capacity of L. Second shell is 8, not 9. So fourth is also wrong. Of the following statement is always correct. Answer A. An atom has equal number of electrons and protons. Explanation is atom is electrically neutral. It has equal number of protons and electrons. Atomic atomic number has atomic models has between important over the year arrange the following atomic molecule models in year arrange the following atomic models in the order of their chronological order. Answer is C. Second, first, and third. First, Thomson's atomic model. Second, then Rutherford's atomic model, and then third, Bohr's atomic model. This was our lesson number second. Now we will move to our first lesson. Which of the following correctly represent 360 gram of water? Option D. Option D is correct. Second and fourth. Second is 20 molecules of water. So now we'll move to our last chapter. We'll move to our last chapter, structure of an atom. And so, first question, which of the following correctly represent 360 gram of water? Answer is D. Answer is D. Second and fourth. Second is 20 mole of water and fourth is 1.244 into 10 raised to 25 molecules of water. Question number second is, which of the following statement is not true about the which of the following statement is not true about an atom? Answer is the atom aggregate in large number to form the matter that we can see, feel or touch. Question number third, a chemical symbol of nitrogen is N2. The chemical symbol of sodium is. Answer is DNA. What is the chemical formula of potassium nitrate? Answer is KNO3. Choose the choose the correct chemical formula. C CaCO3. The cube of lead and mercury are. Answer is B, Pb, and Hg. Sophia found that all sample of pure water contained hydrogen and water in mass of ratio 1 raised to 8. Answer is D, law of definite proportion. Which of which of these is divalent ion? Answer is sulfur and hydrogen phosphate. Sulfur, hydrogen phosphate, and carbonate. Which of the following would weight the highest? Answer is C. Answer is C. 2 moles of CaCO3. Thank you, friends. Stay steady with me. Bye bye.